Children, next exercise. Complete the questions using what, who, where and how. The question words are what, who, where, how. Can you say some questions, children? What is your name? Who is your father? Where are you going? How old are you? How is your health? Such we are asking the questions. Here also in the textbook page 19, you are getting some questions here. The first question is how, H-O-W, how are your parents? How are your parents? Here already gave the answer there. Okay, children? Then the answer is they are fine. T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, they are fine. Okay, children? First one is like, how are your parents? The answer is they are fine. Someone will ask you, how are you? Means you are saying, I am fine, I am good. You are saying no? Same. Then second one, dash the children. The children. Question mark. The answer is in the park. In the park. Listen, children. Here, dash the children. While you are asking the question, you should get the answer is in the park. In the park is a place. In the park is a place. So, we should get the answer place. That is in the park. So, what is the question word? Where? What is that? Where? Now read the question. Where are? Where are the children? The children are in the park. Okay. Then third one. Dash the apples. The apples. Here showing that rupees 50 a kilo. Here dash the apples. Answer is rupees 50 a kilo. They are saying the rate. Isn't it, children? So what will be the question word? How? Then how much? What will be? Much. How much the apples? How much? They are asking the rate of the apples. How much the apples? Rupees 50 a kilo. Then next, number 4. Dash your favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite game. Question mark. What is the answer? C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. See, children, dash your favorite game. The answer is cricket. So, what will be here, children? What, who, where, how? Answer is what? What is your favorite game? The answer is cricket. The next one, number 5. Dash that boy in the park. Question mark. The answer is he apostrophe S, he's my cousin, C-O-U-S-I-N-E, cousin, C-O-U-S-I-N, cousin. Dash that boy in the park. They are asking the question. We should get the answer is, he is my cousin. Cousin is showing that boy. So how, which word we will use here? Who. W-H-O. Who is. Read the question. Who is that boy in the park? He is my cousin. Okay, children. Next exercise is third one. Write the questions that they are asking that read the answer first. Textbook page 20. They are giving the answer there. We should write the questions. The question should be related with the answer. Okay, children. First, read the answer. What is the first sentence? I am Rosie. I am Rosie. The answer is I am Rosie. I am Rosie. R-O-S-Y. Rosie. We should write the question here. Children, here dash, and we are getting the name in the bracket. The name word is there in the bracket. The answer is I am Rosie. You can say this answer question, no children. What is the question? If anyone will ask you your name, what they will ask? What they will ask? What is your name? Yes. We should write what is your name. What is your name? So the answer will be I am Rosie. Then second one, we are getting the answer here. No, I am a dancer. I am a dancer. Here we are getting the question here that in the bracket the word is singer. Children, listen. Here the answer is no, I am a dancer. How will be the question? Are you a boy? No, I am not a boy. I am a girl. Same way. Okay. Here singer is there. The question is, are you a, what is here? Singer. Are you a singer? Are you a boy? Are you a girl? Like here, are you a singer? The answer will be no, I am a dancer. Then next number 3. The answer is I am 10 years old. 10 years old. O-L-D, old. That is the answer here. Here, how old? Close the bracket. Here children, dash, how old? We get the word here, how old. Here we should get the answer is I am 10 years old. Someone will ask you your age. That is the question here. What is the question here? How old are you? That is, how old are you? How old are you? Question mark. How old are you? I am 10 years old. Okay. Then next number 4. Your answer is he is a doctor. A D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. He is a doctor. The dash word is your dad. Children, here the answer is he is a doctor. Question, dash your dad. You listen children, here one important thing is there. This is mentioning as his profession, not his name. Doctor is a professional name. It shows the profession, one person's profession, that is a doctor. So when we are asking a question about anyone's profession, we will use what. What is he, what is she, what is your mother, what is your father like. Who is your father means say your father's name. What is your father means you should say your father's occupation or profession. Isn't it, children? So here answer is doctor, saying about his profession. So your dad, what will you use here? What. We should use what. What is your dad? Now we will get the answer. He is a doctor, he is a teacher, he is a shopkeeper like. Okay. What is your dad? He is a doctor. Isn't it, children? I am not writing on the board now. So. Next exercise, children. Next exercise is write the consonant blends BL and BR. Listen to the words carefully. Then color the pictures red with begin with BL, blah, and color the pictures blue with begin with br. That is blends, children. Blends means two letters and a sound. First one is the picture of blind, so blah, color with red. Next one is a brick, br, color with blue. Blood, that also blah, do with red color. Then branch, do with blue color. Blanket, do with red color. Brush, do with blue color. Bread, do with blue color. Sorry sir, I correct mistake here. Next picture is bread, color with blue color. Next picture of bridge, color with blue color. And next picture is blow, that also color with red color, children. You color it in your textbook. Then page number 21. The next exercise is, that is an activity, children, interesting activity you should do. Look at the picture given below. Discuss with your brother or your partner what you see in the picture and what the children are doing in it. You can make up a story also. Here, what is the story? Two children are there. They are playing near the river and they are playing with the paper boats. Okay, children, you should make the paper boats and make a story about the picture. Okay, children, it's very interesting activity. Okay, the next, same page 21. Write well. It is raining. You are sitting by the window in your room. You are watching the scene outside. Imagine the scene and write 5 or 6 sentences on it. Okay, children, 5 or 6 sentences on it. Here you can see a picture. One boy is sitting inside of the house and looking through the window to outside. What are the scene you are seeing there? He is seeing a boy is playing in the rain. It's raining outside. Okay, a boy is playing in the rain and one person is going there and he is holding a umbrella, holding an umbrella. So you have to write about the picture, children, 5 or 6 sentences. That is also your task. You should write, children. How can you write? Okay, how much, how beautiful you can write, we'll see. Okay, children. These are the exercises, children. Take the next page, page number 22, children. This also your task. It's activity. The water cycle. Our lesson about the water cycle, water vapor, water and rain. The lesson also described about this. So we will do the activity, children. That is, here hints are there. You should follow that. First one is color the pictures in the circle. You should take a paper and make a circle and color that. Second one is cut out the circle. That circle you should cut it. Then cut out the box on the dotted lines. Here dotted lines are there. You should cut. Then fourth one, make a window in the box by cutting along the dots. You can make a window. Fifth one, fold the box as shown. Here folded, children, same like you should shown. Sixth one is fix the right and bottom sides of the box with an adhesive tape. We should use the stick with a tape. Put the circle in the folded box. You should follow these instructions, children. Then eighth one, turn the wheel and see the water cycle. Here, last one also listen, children. The water vapor goes up in the sky. You can see. The cold air changes the water vapor into tiny drops which take the shape of clouds. Third one, these clouds send the water back to the earth as raindrops. You get the picture of water cycle by doing this activity. It's paper work. Okay, children. Now this lesson exercises over. You should do this activity and task and exercises also in the classwork and homework. Thank you, children.